Hi, I'm Kat Weichsel from Pate Group. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm going to share something I love today. It is the new interactivity options in Microsoft Stream. I've been waiting for this, and I'm so excited to finally see this in my demo tenant. Today of all days, I get to share the love with you and show you what I just discovered. So let me just dive right in. I am in Stream on SharePoint. I'm going to grab one of the videos that I've got in here, open that up, and you're going to see, which you're used to seeing, video settings, etc. But there is a new button that says Interactivity. When you click on that, you have two options. You can add a new form or add a call out. Very excited about the form in particular, but first we'll start with the call out. So if I want to add a call out to my video, I can type in some text here. I can pick exactly where I want it to show up. Maybe I know I've watched the video before and I know at the 20-second mark, I want it to show up and give people about 5 seconds to read it. I can even pick the color. And then if we know why it really wants to play, I can move the call out, but I have to do a little bit of finagling here. So once you see that hand, you can actually move this where you want it displayed. So if I want it to display down here, I can go back on the timeline and hit play and watch this. So it pops up where I put it, says what I want, has the background color, and it lasts for 5 seconds. So that's how you add the call out. You could do that wherever you need within your video. So I'm going to go ahead and save that by clicking the check mark. And now we're going to look at what I love. The ability to add a form to your video. Add several of these again throughout the video if you want. I love the idea of adding pop quizzes throughout a particular tutorial video maybe, or just a single form at the end to collect feedback. Lots of possibilities with this. So again, you kind of can decide where you want the video pop up to come up in your video. So maybe if we want it close to the end, this is a 59-second video. So maybe right at the 55-second mark, for whatever reason, that's where I'm going to have this pop up. Now, I need a form link. Just so happens that I did already create my pop quiz in Microsoft Forms. So I'm going to go ahead and open Forms so I can get that link. Here is my pop quiz. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to do the collect responses so I can grab that link. And this is the kind of link that I want to share and put into my video. So I'm going to leave these settings and say copy link. Now I have the link. I'm going to go back to my recording. I'm going to paste in that link and I'm going to just hit the check mark to save it. So now at the 55-second mark of the video, this pop-up quiz is going to come up. So let's take a look at what that experience is like as you're watching the video. So I'm just going to hit this little continue to video here so we can see, again, the timeline. We see where our call out is. We see where the new form is now. So maybe I'm going to go back here a little bit on the timeline and just show you what this looks like, what this user experience would be. You're watching the video, you hit that mark in the video where this is supposed to pop up. And now I can fill out this lovely quiz. What do you love best about Stream? How easy it is to make a new recording, how easy it is to add chapters to a video, how easy it is to add a form or call out now, or all of the above and more. This is what I'm most excited about, but honestly, I love all these things. So I'm going to say all of the above, and I'm going to submit my quiz answer, and I have completed it. And notice I got 100%. I got the right answer. I can see the results if I want to. So all of that experience that you normally have in Microsoft Forms, but I can also just say, yay, I passed the quiz. Let me get back to the video. And I'm going to click continue to video. And whatever is remaining in that particular video is going to play out. So we put it at the 55-second mark, but it's a 59-second video. So it'll play out the remainder. Go in and play with this as soon as you see this feature. This is very cool, and I'm curious to know what use cases you have for this feature. I have plenty in mind. Have fun. Thanks so much.